who asked for a gaming tablet? Not me. But when the Asus ROG Flow Z13 landed at my door, I couldn't help but fawn over it. For performance specs, Asus made waves with the Ryzen AI Max 395 processor and the Radeon 8060's GPU, the most powerful integrated graphics we've tested. Add excellent battery life, a bright display, and a versatile design, and you have a seriously stacked machine. But it's not perfect. The base model costs over $2,000, the keyboard isn't great for gaming, and this thing runs hotter than a steam engine in the desert. Most gamers will be better off with a high-end laptop, but if you're looking for a niche, portable gaming tablets stick around. Price value, win and null. Let's talk money. The base model starts at $2,299 with a Ryzen AI Max 395, 32GB RAM, 1TB SSD, and a 13.4-inch 2560x 1600 180Hz touchscreen. Downgrade to the Ryzen AI Max 390, and it's $2,099. Want 128GB RAM? That'll be $2,799. For value, not great. You could get similar performance for $800 less in a traditional gaming laptop, but if you're after portability and versatility, your options are slim. Stein portability. Asus never skimps on style, and the Flow Z13 is no exception. It's thick, heavy, but the most portable gaming PC outside of handhelds like the ROG Ally X. The 13.4-inch panel has uniform bezels, and the detachable keyboard is compact but not ideal for gaming. The kickstand is solid, but don't expect to use it comfortably on your lap. Weighing 2.68 lbs without the keyboard and 3.53 lbs with it, it's still lighter than many gaming laptops. Compared to the Zephyrus G14, Surface Pro, and even the previous Flow Z13, it holds its own in terms of portability. Ports battery life. Despite its unique form, the Flow Z13 has a solid port selection: USB-A, USB-C, HDMI 2.1, a micro SD slot, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Battery life? Surprisingly good. It lasted 10 hours and 14 minutes in our web browsing test, but gaming drops it to 1 hour and 34 minutes expected for a device like this. Display. The 13.4-inch 2560x 1600 IPS touchscreen is bright and colorful, hitting 180 Hz. Gaming looks stunning whether it's Far Cry 6's lush landscapes or intense firefights. While it's not the most color-rich display, it's sharp and immersive. Typing touchpad. Typing is decent but cramped, making gaming frustrating, especially for jumping with the spacebar. The touchpad is smooth and responsive, but the touchscreen itself feels resistant, making finger input less enjoyable. Audio. Side-firing speakers are loud and crisp, with decent mids and highs but weaker bass. Gunshots in Far Cry 6 felt impactful, but bass-heavy moments in music lacked punch. Dolby Access lets you tweak the audio profile for a better experience. Gaming graphics. For a gaming tablet, performance is impressive. The Radeon 8060's iGPU delivered 50 FPS in Far Cry 6 at Ultra 1600p and 60 FPS in Monster Hunter Wilds at Ultra 1200p with ray tracing. While it's not discrete GPU level, it's remarkable for an integrated solution. Heat performance. The Ryzen AI Max 395 and 32GB RAM make multitasking a breeze. But this thing runs hot. We clocked 110 dec at the top rear, far above comfort levels. If you're using it as a tablet, be careful where you hold it. AI software. The built-in AI features include noise-canceling audio, Copilot integration, and Screen Expert for quick controls. Asus and Armoury Crate manage system settings and performance. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Cameras. It has a 2,500 front and 4,000 rear camera. The rear camera is great, but who's taking photos with a gaming tablet? Asus should have put that quality on the front instead. Final thoughts. The Asus ROG Flow Z13 is impressive with stellar battery life, great performance, and a bright display. But at over $2,000 with a subpar gaming keyboard and extreme heat, its value is questionable. For better performance and price, check out the Zephyrus G14. But if you want a portable gaming tablet, this might be your only real option. Just be ready for the trade-offs. That's my take on the Asus ROG Flow Z13. Would you buy a gaming tablet, or is this just a niche experiment? Let me know.